Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a tour of my military base that I have made over the years. So let's load her up and let's see it. Alright guys, it just finished loading in and we will start with the corner store. Yeah, not very military, but it's pretty cool. So there's this guy. I might turn the lights. So in here we have just the regular gift shop, and then we have the TV, the computer or the monitor with the cameras, and the cash register. So next we will be viewing the watchtower, which is in here also. Climb up the ladder. Then here's all the controls. You can watch over everything. So next we will be viewing over here, the dumpster. Climb over the fence or go through that little hole. There's that camera. So jump in the dumpster, and here we have our little lab, secret base, whatever it is, and we can do whatever. As well, jetpacks, mystery block. Next we have the cars and checkpoint area. First we have this block which you can drive around. Pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Drive it around wherever you want. Then we have our tank, which is right here. You can drive it around. You can look around with it. And it's extremely overpowered too. And next we have our Humvee. It doesn't have very many things that you can do with it, but it is pretty fun to drive around sometimes. So that's all the vehicles, mostly. Next we have our checkpoint. We have some cameras in this, where we can have the barriers go up and down. And we have an emergency lockdown switch, which can make that come down and both the barriers come up. So that's nice. And next we have up here, we have our little chair, Holy Bible. You can sit right there. You come over here, sit here. Very nice chair. Then once we get out of here, that's all that's right here. But now we have the plane, last but not least. The quick jet. So we can hop in here and click Q to start off. Okay, well I'd be dead right now if it was real life. Q to start off, do a barrel roll. And then next we can click E. Do another barrel roll. Do a thingamajig. And finally we have, last but not least, we have the one and only R with the ultra thrusters. And that is my military base, and stay tuned for my next video. See you later.